The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the "yes, we can do it" attitude of the sportspersons has become the new strength of India. The Prime Minister said this while interacting with the Indian men's badminton team, who scripted history by winning the Thomas Cup, and the women's team of the Uber Cup. Mr. Modi lauded the Indian team of Lakshya Sen, Kidambi Srikanth, H.S. Pranoy, the doubles pair of Satwik Sairaj Rankireddy, Chirag Shetty for winning the first ever Thomas Cup for India. The Prime Minister mentioned that this team has infused tremendous energy in the country by winning the Thomas Cup, and a long wait of 7 decades finally came to an end. He added that whoever knows badminton must have dreamt of this feat, and it must have been realized by this team.
लास्ट मोमेंट कितना प्रेशर रहा होगा इसका मैं भली भांति अंदाज कर सकता हूं, लेकिन बड़े धैर्य के साथ पूरी टीम को साथ लेकर के आपने जो देश को गौरव दिलाया है, मैं आपको फिर से एक बार टेलीफोन पर तो बधाई दी थी, लेकिन मैं फिर से एक बार रूबरू में बधाई देकर के जो नटखटपन है ना, छोड़ो मत इसको। वो तुम्हारी जिंदगी की एक ताकत भी है, उसे जियो, मस्ती से जियो।